This is Caribbean vibes.
Alright, one more stop. Watch out, watch out, hey. Give me soca. I want my soca. Watch out, give me soca. I want my soca. Soca my arrow. Soca my sparrow. Watch out, soca my kitchen. See, final one now. And the final one is now. Final row. Young girl, get sweet like a sugar. Sheila, you're nice like a honey. I think I walked off the street late last night. I did watch the selector. I was standing outside my day. Alright, pull up. We find a winner now? Do we have a winner? We have a winner? Alright, I have two baskets. Maybe I'm going to do first and second. I don't know. What do you say? First and second, alright. Where's the my friend? I share the winner? No! Share the winner? No! Alright, my friend, big up yourself, Miss Barbara. And where's the Miss Virgo? I share the winner? I share the winner? Alright, one second. Share second? Yeah! Alright, step forward, second place. What about my friend? I share the winner? No! Share the winner? No! Thank you so much, my dear. So we have second, if a she and the winner, put your hand in the air. Oh, you mean? Alright, so we have first and second. We have one more activity, you know, one more activity.
Prudence Danville, are you here? Prudence Danville, please come on stage. And of course, the winner of the dance competition is Miss Clear. Make some noise. Not even me can dance like Miss Clear. No, sir. Well done, Miss Clear. Thank you, Minister Charles. Hey, Roy, make your way up here.